To use a featured video as a call background for all incoming calls on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Phone app, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap Setting, tap Call Background, tap Background at the bottom of the screen. Under Featured section, tap the featured video thumbnail. By default, use video sound as ringtone option is on, which means the video's audio will be played as your ringtone during incoming calls. Depend on your preference, you can set this option on or off. As the example, we will leave this option on. Now, tap Set as Call Background to set the featured video as a call background for all incoming calls. Using a featured video as your call background adds personality and flair to your incoming calls, and with the option to use the video sound as a ringtone, you can create a fully immersive experience both visually and audibly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.